The habanero, one of the most painful peppers in the world. What am I gonna do with these? Oops. You just wait until they get nice and orange. I'm gonna be extremely careful with these guys, not to get any of the juice on me. And I'm just gonna cut them into quarters. Just as they are. I don't want to touch that juice. I have a feeling I'm going to feel it anyways. These are going to go right on a rack. And then I'm going to put them right into a dehydrator. Dehydrate. And we're going to put some a little bit of salt. After we've let the dust settle, very carefully take off the top and very carefully put some in there. Salt. Now we have to wait for the dust to settle. Slowly move the thing. See, that dust is gonna very strong. Now we have some very, very potent salt.